What makes Kazakhstan's Tenge one of the world's most visually distinctive currencies? Its award-winning banknotes combine bold national symbolism with advanced security technology. Yet almost no one sees the hidden journey behind every note. Inside tightly controlled facilities, specialized materials, precision printing, and secret protective features come together. But how does a simple sheet become trusted money? Watch until the end to uncover the process.
Temperature is holding steady at 21 degrees Celsius.
And humidity is stable at 55%. This batch is cleared for the currency production line. The journey begins as compressed cotton bales are fed into the opening machines, initiating the mechanical transformation.
Precision is paramount here. These machines separate the fibers that will form the foundation of the Kazakhstani 10,000 Tenge banknote.
The uniform density of these cotton fibers is essential for the integrity and longevity of the final currency paper.
Precision is paramount. Every fiber is analyzed, guaranteeing the integrity of the currency material before mass production begins.
Deep within the secure facility, raw cotton is rigorously pulped, beginning its metamorphosis into the ultra-durable substrate of the Kazakhstani Tenge. The cotton pulp is meticulously circulated through this system, ensuring the precise fiber alignment required for secure currency material. In this massive production hall, we witness the birth of currency. Refined cotton pulp is meticulously spread.
In the strengthening stage, the paper web is compressed by massive mechanical rollers. This process extracts remaining.
The sensor alignment on Unit 3 looks stable. Good. Maintain speed and continue monitoring the tension levels. The watermark definition is clear. The density gradient is precisely where it needs to be.
Confirmed. It passes the transmitted light test.
Thickness measurements are stable across the run.
None true.
Confirmed. We can approve the material for the next stage.
Automated quality control guarantees that only perfectly manufactured material continues toward currency printing.
Inside this restricted facility, technicians prepare specialized security inks. These sealed mixing systems ensure the integrity. The registration marks on the lower quadrant show a minor inconsistency. Confirmed. Initiating automatic alignment sequence to correct the cyan layer.
The secret lies in the multi-pass offset process. Layers of specialized ink are applied with micron-level accuracy, ensuring the integrity of the current.
The shift from green to gold confirms the integrity of the patch. Yes, the angle sensitivity is well within the acceptable tolerance range.
Preparation for banknote individualization begins here. Engineers calibrate the precision numbering machines, ensuring every sheet receives its unique identifier. The automated serial verification system ensures absolute accuracy, scanning every sheet for imperfections at high speed. The predictive maintenance metrics on the heat map are fluctuating. I see it. Cross-referencing with the physical inventory count now. The cutting stage is critical. Here, high-precision blades separate the sheets into individual 10,000 tenge notes.
The new 10,000 tenge notes are counted at speeds exceeding 40 notes per second, ensuring absolute precision.
Manifest confirmed on pallet 4. Verify the count on level 3. Checks align, ready for transport protocols.
Scan complete, move the next container.
Copy that.
Loading container 12 now.
Convoy secure, gate 1 clear. Proceed to waypoint Charlie.
Monitor the convoy approaching checkpoint Gamma. Arrival estimated at 0800.
Loading sequence complete. Secure the containers and engage primary locks.
The regional cash center is the nexus of the national currency network. Here, incoming funds are rapidly processed and verified before storage. Cassette secured. Panel closing.
Confirmed. Locking container now. Procedure complete.
This stack is verified by the machine, and the receipt confirms the total. It balances, depositing the tens into the till now.